Hello friends, how are you? I hope that you all will be doing well. First of all, I would like to wish you all the best for your upcoming examinations. There is a recent update from UP Secondary Education Service Selection Board Prayagraj regarding TGT Trained Graduate Teacher and PGT Postgraduate Teacher Recruitment Examinations. Written examination for advertisement number 1 2022 TGT was earlier scheduled on 14th and 15th May 2025, but as per the decision of the Commission, it has been rescheduled on 21st and 22nd July 2025. And written examination for advertisement number 2 2022 PGT will be held as per previous schedule, that is 18th and 19th June 2025. I would like to suggest you that there is not much time left for your preparation, so utilize your valuable time in studies. I hope you will get success in all your future endeavors. Thank you.